Yo, what up, YouTube This is your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as Only Using Me Tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black, to the blue on my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I'm back with another unboxing for you guys right now. As you can see right now, we got a package in front of me right now from Amazon. So sorry guys, I'm under the weather. I am catching the flu and stuff like that. And yeah, it's just messing me up. So, at no further ado, bat knife, box, bat knife. Let's unbox these shit. So what did I get? You can already see the name of the title. Now, I had one of these before in the past, but the ones that I had was the Rayneo Air 2S. I believe that's what the name was. So this one is the updated one. Damn, they put a box inside of a box inside of a box inside of a box. Okay. So let's get this, and as you can see right there, Rayneo. And there we go. Get this out the way. Now, the one I had before, it was okay. It was good, but it wasn't as these was. So there we go. I don't know if I want to keep these or not. I brought them because I got it on sale. This originally goes for $259 or $69. I got this for $200. It was actually $189.99. It's a big discount going on. Save $80 on it. You can catch certain sales. You have to go on it and keep looking at it because Amazon do have a sale on this that you can actually get it for $180. With the tax and everything, comes out to $200 and about 27 cents. And that's it right there. So yeah, I got this at a still nice price. So there we go. You get some glasses. It's a thick boy. You get let me see. You get the thing for the glasses. So I might have to get that for my prescription glasses. We get, I believe, the nose things, or I don't know what this is. If I can get my fingers inside there. Okay, here's the nose clips and a big ass booklet. That's a thick booklet. And we get a cleaning cloth and some menus and stuff like that. I'm gonna have to download the app. And get this thing set up. So there we go. We're gonna move this right here. Just keep that right here. Get this here. It all depends how I feel. I'm gonna take it to my doctor and get my prescriptions for these. Okay. Here's the sets right here. Here's the cord right here. It's a long cord. Okay. And here it is right here. I don't know if I want to keep the take the plastics off of it. I don't know if I want to remove this or not. I might keep this on here to block it out, but there you go. I may just keep this. I might just keep this inside the box or something. Just like keep it right there or something. Use this as a cover like that. So you got that. Move the plastics right here. If I can get that plastic, there we go. There we go. And there we go. So I believe you put this right here. I guess put it there for your glasses lens. I don't know. Okay, it looked like there's a little latch that goes right there. I'm not completely sure how this works, because I've never actually used this before in the past. So this is it right here. So I'm gonna mess with it. I'm gonna rock with it and see how I like it. All right, guys. It's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker. Only use my Tomahawks. Remember, live it, love it, game it. Peace and deuces. Let's put these glasses right here. Sit that there and right there. $200 for a pair of glasses to be a big screen. So we're going to see how this one is, if it lives up to the Rayneo Air 2S's, the one like I had before, and we're going to check it out. right, that's it, and I'm out. Deuces, one, peace. Remember, subscribe, hit that notification bell, become part of the DY Easy Gang. Thumbs up, like, and I'm gonna catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces, one, peace. Holla.